Let's look at my toolbox. The main roller is a Husky. I went with Husky tools because they're affordable, they have a warranty, and they're available locally. So start up top. These are just things that you get at regularly: paper towels, gloves, tool tray, things of that nature. And I got a screwdriver drawer, wrench drawer, plier drawer, my miscellaneous junk drawer, all Allen wrenches, air tool stuff, then my socket drawer. My daughter and I, what's that called? Sticker bomb. So quarter, 3/8, over here half, everything in metric and SAE. Only a 3/8 torque. I don't really work with anything bigger than that. Motorcycle specific tools, electrical specific tools, and measurements, and got the staple gun and rivets. Just drill specific stuff, gun specific stuff. My favorite, hammers and files. And then getting down here, another favorite drawer of mine, zip tie drawer and other fastening things, safety wire. But I got a whole pillow. That is what, 1,000 zip ties just in that one bag. And then more miscellaneous porting tools. There's the tools themselves. This is all polishing stuff. Down there is my small size soldering station, sandpaper. Over there's my worm drive saw, my drill, work gloves, more air tools. That's my toolbox.